Good morning, children.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine,
How
dear.
are
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am?
I'm fine. How are you all?
How are you, ma'am? How is
Yes.
your day, ma'am?
My day is going on good. Till now, it's going good. What about your days?
Good, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, okay. Today we are going to do the what is that descending order. Before that, I am going to take a test, daily test. Shall I
Okay.
send the link?
Yes.
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 Before that, let me mute. Yes. Shall I send the link? All are ready? Yes. Check whether you got the link or not. Is the link there? Yes. Two questions are there. Both the questions are of ascending order. Okay. Think properly, check all the options properly, check all the digits, check all the numbers and do it properly. Okay. Don't make any mistake. Think and do. Don't simply select an option. You have to think and select the correct option. Some are joining now. So I have to send the link once again. Before that, let me read the questions for you. Yes, let me read the questions. First your name, then select your class and division. Then write in ascending order 425, 582, 128, 343. These are the four numbers given. Out of these four, all the hundreds place are different in the first question. So what you have to do is check the hundreds place and find out the greatest number, smallest number, and make it in order. The options are given over there. Check all the digits, check all the numbers, and do it properly. Okay. The second one is also ascending order. In the second one, the hundreds place are same, the tens place are different. Yes, Abu Tahir? Did not get the link? Yes. I'm going to send the link once again. Yes, the link has been sent to you. Again, some are joining so late. To A, many has joined. Okay. Yes. Some had made mistake. I told you have to think properly. You have to check all the digits, all the numbers, and select the correct answer. If you will simply look at the first number and if you will select the answer, if you will click on the answer, it may become wrong. So you have to check all the four numbers you have to check. Once again, I am just sending the link because last time I am sending the link. Now we have to move to the new topic. Fastly do it and submit. Okay, now. Yes. So 5 minutes are over. We are going, I'm moving to the new topic. Today we are going to learn descending order. Ascending order is already over. We have learned on Wednesday. In descending also we have to do the same thing. But only the difference is ascending means smallest to the biggest. The smallest will be written first and the biggest will be written at the last. This is descending order. The biggest has to be written first and the smallest has to be written at the end. That is only the difference. The same method and all, everything is same. First you have to check the hundreds place, underline the hundreds place. If all the hundreds place, first thing you have to do is you have to underline the hundreds place and check whether it is same or not. If it is same, move to the tens place and underline it. If that is different, then instead of underlining, just circle it. If the tens place is also same, you have to move to the ones place. Okay, and you have to select the biggest number first because this is descending order. The same thing, the same method, the same rules, everything is same. Just the difference is the biggest to the smallest has to be written for the descending. You know all those things, isn't it? Because we have learned last year. Because we have learned last year, but the difference was that was only with the 2 digits and this is with the 3 digits. Shall I give the, I'm not going to give the problems first. First, I will show you some problems on the board. Then only I will give the problems for doing by yourself. So what is the thing you have to do now? You have to just fold your hands and look at the board. Don't take your book. Don't touch anything. Yes. Okay. So we are going to do the descending order. Descending order is big to small. First question, 248, 382, 165, and 596. So here, the first thing is you have to underline the hundreds place. Underline the hundreds place. Then check whether the digits in the hundreds place are different or same. If it is different, you have to find out the greatest, smallest, everything from there itself. If it is same, then only you have to check the next number. Otherwise, don't check the next number and waste the time. From there itself, you have to find out the numbers. So from 2, 3, 1, and 5, the biggest one is 5. So cut that number and write it here as the first, the biggest one. Then check the next one. 2, 3, and 1 are left. From 2, 3, and 1, 3 is the biggest number. Cut it and write it over here, 382. That is also over. Now 2 and 1 are left. From 2 and 1, 2 is the bigger one. So write the whole number over here after cutting it. Then only one number is left. That number is to be written at the last. Now second one, 725, 765, 742, 735. First thing you have to do is underline the hundreds place. All the numbers are, all the digits in the hundreds place are 7. So move to the tens place. 2, 6, 4, 3. The digits are different. So find out the biggest one from there. From 2, 6, 4 and 3, 6 is the biggest one. So cut that number and write as the first number. Now the leftover numbers are 2, 4 and 3. 4 is the next one. So cut and write 742. Now leftover numbers are 2 and 3. 3 is the next one. Cut and write 735. Only one number is left over there. Write that number at the last. Now question number 3. 462, 468, 463, 465. Here, the first thing, underline the hundreds place. 4, 4, 4, 4. All are same. Check the next one. 6. Here also 6, 6, 6. All the digits are 6. Move to the last digit. 2, 8, 3, 5. Now from these 4, 2, 8, 3 and 5, check the biggest one. Biggest number is 8. So cut that full number and write the whole number over here. Next one, 2, 3 and 5. From these 3, 5 is the biggest one. So cut the whole number and write here as the second one. Now the leftover numbers are 2 and 3. From these 2, 3 is the bigger. So cut it and write 463. Last one number is left. That will be the final number to be written. That will be the smallest one. Okay. So the same thing as you have done for the ascending order. The only difference is here you have to select the biggest one first and the smallest one at the last. Shall I give some problems? Okay. So take your book, take your pencil. I will share the board. I'm going to give some questions. Yes. So first you have to write the date. Today is 18, 9, 20. Descending order. Descending order is biggest to the smallest, big to small. Now the first question. First question is 456, 424, 468 and 439. First thing you have to do is underline the hundreds place. Second question, 922, 926, 928, 921. Question number 3, the last one. 429, 864, 293, 964. That is the first one. This is the second one. Let me start with Sriveni. I think so she is playing over there. Yes. Sriveni, in the first one, which digit is to be underlined?
100.
Hundreds place is to be underlined first. Okay. 4, 4, 4, 4. Can you identify the greatest and the smallest from there?
No.
No. So what do you have to do?
Go to the tens.
Go to the tens. Okay. Is it same or different? Just check it.
Different.
It is different. So you have to circle. If it is different, you have to circle. Otherwise, you can underline. So 5, 2, 6, and 3. Now what do you have to do next? Yes?
Write it there.
Which number?
468.
Okay, good. So even though you were playing, you were listening something, isn't it? What was there in your hand, dear? Show me. Doll.
No.
No. Flower. Okay, it's flower. You were tying it. You were tying the flower? Okay. Do it. Do your work. Okay, Sriveni. Keep it over there on one side and do your work. Yes, after that you can play with the flower. Okay, dear? So first number 468. Next, Yadunandan, I cannot see you. Is your video on? Yes. Yes, Yadu. Yadu, did you unmute? Let me see to whom I have to ask. Let me ask to Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Aradhya, which number should come secondly in the first one? Check the circle. Yes.
6.
6.
Ma'am?
Yes.
8.
What you are saying, my dear? Which number you have to look? You have to look at the circle number, isn't it?
Okay.
Uh,
4, 3, 9.
what you are saying? Can you see the board clearly? Is the board clear?
Yes.
So 439, 439 is to be written as second. Is it? Check once again.
No.
Then?
4,
Yes.
5, 6.
Finalize my answer. 456, 439 or 424. Tell me the final one.
400
Uh,
6 5
uh,
6.
okay, 456. Okay. Cut that number and write 456. Yes. Then next person, Mohammed Famis.
Yes, ma'am.
Which should be the next one? Only two are left. From those two, Famis, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Which two numbers are left?
420 424.
That should be the next number. Is it?
No.
Then?
439.
Is it?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. 439. Cut that number and write 439 here. Now only one number is left over there. That number should be written at the last. That is the smallest one. Okay. Now we will move to the second one. Let me ask you. Okay. Heba. Heba? Heba, did you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, second one. Just tell me which number, what is to be done first? What is the first step to be done? Okay, what is the
We
first?
want to underline one's place.
We have to underline the
One's place.
ones place. Okay, first you have to check the hundreds place, isn't it? They are same. Check the tens place. Tens place is also same. So you have to circle the ones place.
One's place.
2, 6, 8 and 1 is are to be circled. Now tell me which number should be written first, Heba?
9 to 8.
9 to 8, the biggest one. Since it is descending order, the biggest one is to be written first. 8 is the biggest number. So cut that number and write 928. Okay, good. Now,
Ma'am.
yes, mute dear, mute. Rohan? Yes, Rohan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next number after 928, which number should be written next?
926.
926. From 2, 6 and 1, next biggest number is 6. So that number is to be cut. 926 is to be written as the next. Okay, good Rohan. Yadu?
Yes, ma'am.
You are sitting alone today. Where is your cousin?
Yes, cousin's mom, computer, and network giving. That's why.
Okay, she is at her home. Okay, okay, Yadu. 8 and 6 is over. Now two numbers are left, 2 and 1. So from those two, which is the bigger one?
900.
Ah. Parent. I did not ask to the parent. I asked to the child. Yadu?
Yes.
922. The last one, the leftover is 921. That is to be written at the last. Okay. Yadu. Now question number 3, the last one. Ujjwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. What is to be done first, dear? In the third question, which number is to be circled? Okay, Abel, yours is over, isn't it? Okay, good. What is to be done first, my dear?
Check the hundreds, please.
Underline it. 4, 8, 2, 9. Whether they are same or different?
No. Different.
Different. So what do you have to do? From there itself, you can find the greatest and the smallest, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So which number is to be written first?
964.
Good. 9 is the biggest one, so 964 is to be written first. Okay, Jewel. Good. Madhuradattan. Next
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Yes, next. After 964, which number is to be written next?
429.
Is it? Check once again. Is it 429?
864.
Is it 864? Check once again.
Yes.
Yes, okay. 864. 8 is the next biggest. So 864 is the next one. Okay, good dear. Now, Genesia. Next one. 4 and 2 are left. From those two, which is to be written next?
429.
Good. From 4 and 2, 2 is the bigger one. So cut that number and write it over here, 429. The last number will be 293. Good. So the time is there. So I'm going to give one more. Question number 4. 635, 692, 646, 658. Now, Abel, write the fourth one. Yes. Vaiga. Vaiga?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is to be done first, dear? Which number is to be circled?
2.
What is the first step to be done?
Second.
Second, yes. First number is 6, 6, 6, 6. All the numbers are 6. So you cannot identify the biggest and smallest. So the second
Circle
number,
the next number.
yes, next number is to be circled. They are different. Okay. So which number is to be written first?
690.
Yes, good. 692 is the first number, is the greatest one, isn't it? Good. Afreen. Afreen.
Yes, ma'am.
Afreen, which number is to be written next as the second one?
658.
Good. Next number, next biggest one is 5, so 658. Devdaksh, after 658.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, after 658, which should be the next one?
646.
646. Good. 646. Now only one number is left that's to be written at the last. Okay. Good. Okay, one more, the last one. The fifth one, the last one is 286, 289, 281, 285.
Where?
Yes, wait, the last one, Sarah. Sarah, unmute. Dear? Sarah Catherine, unmute. Okay, she is not unmuting. Stain.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Stain?
Yes,
Which,
ma'am.
yes, which?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Which number is to be underlined, dear?
289. 289.
Oh.
289.
Okay, first you just tell me which number is to be underlined to find out the biggest and the smallest. Which
One.
place? Once.
One.
Once, okay. Hundreds place is same. So tens place is also same. Ones place is to be circled. Okay, which is the number to be written first?
289.
289. Okay, good. Mute, dear. Anthony Babu. Next one, next number. After 289.
Yes. 285.
Check once again.
286.
Is it? Check once again. Finalize one number, whether it is 86, 85 or 81.
86.
Okay. 286. Cut that number and write 286. Okay, good. Now, Daksha. Next one, after 286. Which should be the next one?
281.
Is it?
Yes.
Check once again, dear.
285.
85 or 81?
85.
85. Cut this number and write to 85. So in the exam, check all the digits. Simply don't say the answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So with this, we have finished our numbers chapter. All the topics has been done. We started with number names. Number names, then face value, ordinal numbers, expanded form, standard form, formation of new numbers, ascending and descending order.
Enter,
Everything.
ma'am.
Yes, everything has been done. So, in the next class, we will start with our new chapter, addition. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Wait.
Thank you, ma'am.
So the numbers, the homework and the notes will be sent through WhatsApp. You have to check it, write all the notes in the notebook, do the homework in the notebook neatly. Tomorrow I will check all the notebooks. You have to lift it up and you have to show me in the class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.